Hello, this is GraphicsDost and welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be starting with the basics of 2D drafting softwares. As you all must be aware that AutoCAD is one of the best 2D commercial softwares available out there, but it requires a proper license. As such, I will be using NanoCAD 5.0 as an alternative. Let's boot up. NanoCAD has a similar interface as compared to AutoCAD. Hence, you will find that majority of this will work the same way in AutoCAD. As you can all see, this is the basic GUI starting starting interface. Right in this video, we will get to know which these toolbars are and how they will help us. Let us start by creating a new document. It is loading the default template. As you can see, it has loaded. This black space is nothing but the model space, and right here below we can see that this is the model tab or the model space, and also these tabs, namely layout 1, layout 2, A4, A3 and more, are nothing but the paper spaces. We will get to these paper spaces in some later video. As of now, we will be working in model space. What we are seeing right here is nothing but the X and Y axis, the coordinate systems, and I can drag it around. Right, I'm panning basically right now by pressing the scroll button down and then dragging the cursor. I can also zoom in and out using the scroll button. Let us get to know these toolbars, starting with this toolbar right here. This is nothing but, as you can see, I will show you that these are the various NanoCAD toolbars available, and right now the toolbars with the square are displayed on screen. So if I were to deselect this main toolbar, then it has gone, as you can see. So this is nothing but the main toolbar, right? Then we have the styles toolbar. Then we have right here, as you can see, this is nothing but the utilities toolbar, right? Then we have this one right here is for layers. So properties toolbar, and then we have the drawing, right? Draw toolbar. You can see it disappear. Draw toolbar, and this right here is the modify toolbar. See, modify, right? Modify. This last one here, this one is display order. This one is the display order. Now, and right here we have the command line. As you can see, it is showing a lot of text. This is nothing but commands that we can use directly by typing in or via the icons available on the toolbars. As such, when you get used to using this software, you will be using command line more, and you will not be relying on these toolbars at all. Let's get started. What I will do right here, it is showing the coordinate, the cursor, the actual cursor in the model space. As you can see, when I move the cursor around, it is changing. Then we have these various options, which are nothing but snap, grid, object snap, object tracking, polar, ortho, show line width, and show hatches. Also, we will be having these various options right here, right? This is the measurement scale, which is always kept 1:1. Zoom, zoom options, window, regenerate the drawing, and full screen. What in the upcoming video, what I will be doing is using these various tools and also showing how to use them via the command line, and then we will get to drawing and creating our first 2D drafting document and save it, as well as we will be creating template in the upcoming videos. Thank you.